Hello guys, Brad here again with another fragrance review. Today I will be talking about L'Artisan's Premier Figuier. And this came out in 1994, classified as a fruity floral, and it's geared mostly towards women, although some people say it's unisex. Top notes are fig leaf and asafoetida. Middle notes of fig, sandalwood, and almond milk. And in the base, lime, coconut, dried fruits, and sandalwood. Base notes gave it 21 positives, 7 neutrals, 2 negatives. So this one, as the name implies, mostly a fig fragrance. This is the 4th fig fragrance that I've experienced on my journey. Started with Marc Jacobs for Men, then Velocicos from Diptyque, then Blue Mediterraneo's Fico de Amalfi from Acqua di Parma, and now finally Premier Figuier. So basically, just like the other 3, this one is very similar to those. I try to figure out what exactly made this one any different, and I think maybe the almond milk does give it more of a feminine milkiness there, maybe some extra spices for some reason, but other than that, just an uneventful fig fragrance in my opinion. I'm perfectly happy with my Marc Jacobs for Men, so I probably wouldn't be too excited to jump the price tag by 3 times to get this one. So it's okay, maybe a bit feminine, but certainly wearable for both sexes. So let me get into some scores here. The smell, I'll give it 6 out of 10. I can't honestly say it's my favorite fig. I would love to do a blind test of all of the different fig fragrances to see how this one actually does, subjectively, objectively, knowing that it's geared towards women. Maybe there's some bias there, who knows. But for now, I'll say 6 out of 10 there. Projection longevity, I thought this one did pretty well. I can smell it towards the end of the day. Not real strong, but it was still there. So maybe if you have trouble with performance with your fig fragrances, this one might be worth checking out just for that. Versatility, I'll give it 7 out of 10. To wear it most of the year, I think. It's a green fragrance. Definitely a lot of the leafy aspect of the fig in there, as well as the fruity part. So yeah, great for spring and summer, but also fall and winter, because I think fig is a dense enough fruit for that to be okay. Uniqueness, I'm going to give it 5 out of 10. It's just a fig fragrance in my opinion for the most part. Price point, $145 for the 100 ml. I think I would probably want to save my money for something a little bit more special than this for my niche purchasing choices there. So overall, 6.5 out of 10. A nice fig fragrance, but I think the designer market is fine as far as I'm concerned. I'm sure most people that like figs would probably be happy enough with their Marc Jacobs, or even like a Diptyque's Velocicos, which is still a bit cheaper than this one. So those are my thoughts on Premier Figuier, and thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys later.